If you prepare and store chicken nuggets this way in the deep freezer, then you can turn them into your favorite crispy and crunchy snacks under 15 minutes, that too using an air fryer. So let's get started. Here I have taken 3 chicken boneless breast pieces. These were about 500 grams. I have thoroughly cleaned and washed the chicken pieces. Now let's chop them into bite-sized pieces. Give horizontal and vertical cuts on the chicken breast pieces to get a rectangular or square shaped chicken pieces. So here I am chopping all the 3 chicken breast pieces I have taken. After chopping them, transfer them into a bowl. Next, take a food processor and add about 4 bread slices. Here, I have removed the sides of the bread slices before adding it into the food processor. To this, add the chopped chicken pieces, ginger garlic paste, black pepper powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder, pink salt, soy sauce. Give a gentle mix. After blending, this should be the texture of the mixture. Transfer this mixture into a bowl. Apply oil on your fingertips. Start shaping the mixture into small nuggets. You can use 2 hands to give a proper shape to the nugget. And there is another method which I would like to share here. Add the oil to the chicken mixture. Mix it well and place it on any flat surface and start shaping it into a shape of a square or rectangle. Give horizontal and vertical cuts with the help of a pizza cutter, and this is how they look. Crack an egg, whisk it, add some salt and pepper, then whisk it again and put this aside. Now in a bowl, take about 1 cup of breadcrumbs. I have taken panko breadcrumbs here. So dip the nugget in the egg mixture, then roll it in the breadcrumbs mixture, and this is how it looks. So I have arranged all the chicken nuggets. Now let's place them in the air fryer. I am placing 6 chicken nuggets in a single batch to avoid overcrowding. And here I am storing the remaining chicken nuggets in 2 layers using a parchment paper in between the layers. And I am storing this in an airtight glass container which will stay fresh up to 2 months in deep freezer. Here I have set the temperature to 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. So after about 7 or 8 minutes, flip them and let them cook for the remaining 7 or 8 minutes. And that's it, they are ready. Here I am serving them with mayonnaise and tomato ketchup. If you like this video, do check the other videos on my channel as well, and don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting recipes and cooking videos.